channel, Simply Eunice Official Vlog. So for today, we are here at Smile Stone Town Hotel in Zanzibar. Hi guys, so we are here at Smile Stone Town Hotel. It's nearby to the Azam Port. Hi Adika, Ading. Hi. Let's go and tour them.
Ginagawa mo.
Hello to my YouTube channel.
Si Ading eh, makakain na ano pa. Ano yung kinakain ni KK? Yun na to. Oh, video na. Oh, ang ganda. Tama. Okay na.
Ano yung captain? Sipa price.
Wow.
Thank you. Okay na.
Picture. Yeah.
Ginagawa mo.
Nice. Ang ganda ng kulay. Hi guys, so we are here at Kudurani. So we're buying souvenirs right now. So we're choosing headband and all these things.
Ginagawa mo.
Ito yung tubig tsaka soft drinks. Oo nga, sa bag. Tapos bumili lang, pwede na kayo bumili.
Hi guys, so you see we're so sweating and then we have tour around Stone Town.
Umiikot nga, one way lagi dito, Noemi.
So we're heading to
Kagabi nga umikot kami.
for our stay and swimming.
Kagabi umikot.
Alam, bilis maglakad parang. Sabi niya, simple lang daw yung lakad niya. Tapos na.
We are here at Golden Tulip, Zanzibar. Let's have a tour. Hi guys, so we are here now at Golden Tulip, Zanzibar.
Ginagawa mo. Ginagawa mo. Swimming pa more. Ano, madali. Madali pa mo.
Ang lamig, it's so cold.
O, diba? Mamaya na ako.
Hi guys, Golden Tulip.
Pag may araw na.
Go
Picture naman siya. Picture pa. Dito. 1, 2, 3. Picture na yan.
Golden Tulip Zanzibar. It's very nice. And the weather is also good. It's not that hot, but it's a bit windy. Hi guys, so we are here at Foodorani, Zanzibar. So there's a lot of street food here. So let me show you. So we are here at Foodorani. Naman, this is the one we ordered pizza. That is the pizza which we ordered, right? What's happened? Oh, seafood. Mambo. Sunset, ayan. Oh, seafood. This is the seafood place, Ali, right? Okay. This is nice. Shawarma. All shawarma. Meat, liver, and calamari. Oh, salad.
Feed me that one. Feed me this one. Lagyan ng sauce. Oh, lagyan ng sauce. Lagyan ng sauce nito. Oh.
Adi, huwag ka dito sa may pula.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless.